Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and I'm at my buddy's tree service. I was actually here picking up some saws. Today I'm gonna get a load of logs for some firewood, and I'm here, so I checked it out, see what he had in stock. All looks good to me. So I'm gonna get a load of logs over to my house in probably the next week or so. That way we can get back to doing some splitting. And I've got the inspector over here. What do you think, Bo? He says they're good. It's probably super windy, so I apologize about that, but you'll see them in about a week, showing up with a log truck. We'll dump them in the yard, and then we'll get to splitting. So I got all the driveway cleared out because the log truck's gonna be here in about 30 minutes. And I think I'm gonna put all the logs over here somewhere. So I wanted to make sure this pad was nice and clear, nothing in his way, so you can either pull in or back in. I'm not sure which side of the crane the truck is on, if it's behind the cab or if it's on the back of the truck. We'll have to decide that when he gets here. Well, the truck's here. It happened very quickly. He just pulled in and we got right to work. So I don't know what the video looks like of him pulling in. I guess we'll find out when I go to edit it. But he's getting right to work. Nice old auto car. And we'll see how many logs we get out of this. Talk about in and out. I mean, that whole process probably took 20 minutes. And I have overhead power lines, so they droop. Had to hold them up a little bit. So we'll take a look at what we ended up getting for the truckload, and we'll talk about how much I paid for it. So there it is, the whole pile of wood. Came out of that crane truck you guys saw there. And it's, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 22 logs. 22 logs fit in that truck. They're probably about, I don't know, 8, 10 feet long. And I'm hoping to get, I don't know, maybe 5 to 7 full cords out of it. I think that's what I'll get. I think my buddy told me 13, but I think he was trying to say face cords. So we'll see how many cords of wood I get out of this thing. I mean, I think the plan is going to be to just get the hose form out with the 28-inch bar on it and just start cutting off the pile. I'll probably get as much as I can cut until everything's in my way, and then I'll start splitting. I asked him to stack it pretty even so I could cut it off the pile. He did a pretty decent job. I know operating those cranes aren't the easiest thing. They're not the smoothest, so good enough for me. At least they're not everywhere. And in the next couple days here, we'll get started on this project.